Hi guys, I'm making some delicious soursop juice today. I had the fruit in the freezer, so the green skin was peeled off. I took out the core and then I took all the seeds out of the pulp. So if it's your first time making this, once you open the fruit up, you'll see these pods, and each of them has a black seed. So you just open it up, take out all those seeds, and then what I'm going to do is just blend it. So I'll put it in the blender with some water and then pulsate it for a few times before I puree it. So once it's pureed as smooth as possible, some people actually just add water to that and drink it just the way it is, but I prefer to take out the pulp, so like separate the pulp from the juice. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So back in the day, my mom used to just use her hands to squeeze all the pulp to get the juice out. So a lot of people growing up, that's basically what they do, just wash their hands and just squeeze until the juice is separated. But you can do it this way, just rubbing the back of the spoon against the pulp in the strainer, so all the juice will run out. And you can just drink it the way it is, or there's other things you can add to flavor it up. Alright, so I got all the juice out, and so now I'm just gonna add other things. Some people do milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and sugar, and some people go the other route and add lime and sugar. That's how I prefer to have it. So I just add a little sugar and some fresh lime or lemon and just stir it up, and it's literally good to go. That's it. It's really nutritious. Especially without the added sugar, of course, but I find that because it's so sour, I do need a little bit of sugar to enjoy it, but it can actually be had without. You'd make your choice and have it the way you love it. So I'm just gonna pour it on some ice and enjoy this delicious, refreshing drink. For those of you who haven't had it before, it's a naturally sour taste. And then if you add the sugar, then it's just balancing out that sourness. But it's really delicious and nutritious. Do some research and you'll find out how good this is. It's so yummy.